How to log into Bendigo Bank Online Banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Bendigo Bank Online Banking and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Internet Banking. Open it. You will be directed to the official website. Now here you're going to see the option of login at the top right corner. Click on it. Select the option of e-banking. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in the access ID. If you want to save your access ID, check in for this option, remember my access ID. Once you fill this, click on next. Now type in the password of your account. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on next. Just with that, you will be logged into your account. This way you can easily log into Bendigo Bank Online Banking account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.